Students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7, Lifelines of Indian Economy, Geography part. This is module 3rd. In second, we have discussed about the roads. Two types of the road that we discuss, golden quadrilateral and national highways. Now here we will continue. C part that we will be discussing state highways. Okay. These highways connects state capitals to different district headquarters. It means within the state and the capital, these territories that are having the connectivity with different districts. And you may say these are very important. And these state highways that will help in increasing having the bond with national highways, especially in the means of agriculture and trading. Okay. Now what will be in there? Different headquarters. It is found in the states and union territories. It is means these are the there that are connecting the state capital with different headquarters, you may say district headquarters. It is maintained by state public works department. It means PWD. All the maintenance and the construction that is related to state public works department, it means it is the responsibility of the state. Now next that we will be discussing about the district roads. It means these roads are connected to the different parts of the district, that is to villages, cities, towns. Here this connectivity comes. This district roads that also help in maintaining the connectivity, improvising the different aspects of the country. That may be, again we may say, the public, the people can move from one place to another. They can have some of the business also. They can have other activities also. It means this is an important part. So all these roads, they are an important one and they are controlled again by the state government. Or you may say that it is maintained by Jilla Parishad. It is maintained by Jilla Parishad, that is in a district. That is in a district that is controlled by this. Okay. Now next thing, that is other roads. It means these are also the roads that are also having the connectivity, especially the remote areas that are connected to the towns and cities. The remote areas are connected to different cities and towns, so that there may be the smooth transportation and the people can move easily from one place to another. And even it is maintained by प्रधान मंत्री ग्रामीण Sadak Yojana. It means this is the working that is done by the central government. It means Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana that connects the villages, especially the remote or even any of the village, to the different parts of the towns and cities, so that they may have the good connectivity. It means these types of the road that are very important. Okay. Now next thing that we will be discussing, one of the important part in means of the roads, that is border roads. These are very important part because it was started in 1960s and controlled by a border roads organization. It means these border roads that makes us strong to be vigilant, to improve the locality that are living nearby, and especially in the time of war. Especially in the time of war. So it means it is an important one. These are controlled by Border Roads Organization. It helps in improving the condition of people living in those areas by supplying food, medicines and different products. Or you may say it also make us vigilant to have a eye on our enemies. It means we can see the activities that are performed by the terrorists or our enemies. It means this is an important one. This border road organization, it is mostly in Jammu Kashmir, northeastern part of India. So it means because we are two neighbors, Pakistan and China, so these border roads, they are very important. In the time of war, the medicine, the you may say weapons, the other you may say arms that can be easily sent to these border areas. And now you can see that our government is maximum stressing on these border roads, and almost we have completed our work. And in mostly in every of the border that connects with China and Pakistan, we have constructed the roads and smooth running of the food material and other thing that is easily available. So it means this is an important one. So we have, because it is our responsibility so that our country becomes safe and secure and we may not have any of the problem. And because we have faced a lot of problem due to these our neighboring countries. Okay. Now next is, in our country there are metalled and unmetalled types of the road. Metalled and unmetalled type of the roads that are found. Okay. Metal roads that are made from cement, charcoal and other products, and unmetalled that are made from mud and clay. Especially into the rainy season, these unmetalled roads, they are damaged. They are not a permanent one. This is a temporary connectivity, and almost you may say in most of the areas where less population or we are not having much of the resources, these types of the roads are connected. Now next thing that we will be discussing is road density. Road density, it means what will be in that? The length of road per 100 square kilometer of area. What will be in that? That in 100 square kilometer of area, how much road has been constructed? That may be 10, that may be 20, that may be 50. It means road density. This is average construction of the road. Because we have taken a scale that on 100 square kilometer of area, how much length of road is available. So it now you can see, especially in Jammu and least road is in Jammu and Kashmir. Maximum some areas are there, UP, Maharashtra, Punjab. These are few of the areas where maximum construction of the roads are there. They are having maximum road density. Jammu, Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh. These are some of the areas where less road density because they are not having a good topography. Or in these hilly areas it is very difficult. But even then our government have tried to maximize these roads, and even some of the super highways, national highways, even 6-lane highways has been constructed. And I have discussed that we are at the third largest country which is having the maximum number of the routes. Okay.